Okay, just a couple information in case customer asks you. So the reason why one shot or two shot, common sense is of course normal and weak. In Italy we use the top part for ristretto, which is the weaker shot, the bottom part for espresso. For us Vittoria, because we're using same 8 ounce for ceramic and paper cups, probably one bottom is working for all, so the top part usually is being used for a standard shot, and the bottom part usually is being used for just a flash. So when you're removing the group handle, simply purge a little bit of water out. Okay. Another way, sometimes customer asks, especially so the newer ones, is they always find it really hard to remove the group handle after the group basket after a busy day. So another way to do is simply get the blind filter. Okay, so force a little bit of lever here and then pull it out like this. Okay, instead of actually using your finger, especially if it's hot, and sometimes it's actually quite hard. Okay, you might also find that sometimes customer complain about this one here, this spinetta on the other side. The other way to do it is if you have like a very, very big spanner, sort of like a bit of muscle, and tie it up quite hard as well. Okay, and of course, if you're wondering what's the difference between number one and number two, of course, turn around the machine. Number one, and only let water sucked in without actually using the element. So that's another few other explanations. Also, it's very, very important that, especially when we're working on a tank, okay, you must be sure that the hot water is always off when you turn on the machine, because that can actually cause, especially if the machine is not hot, to make the boiler overfill and water coming out of the steam arm. So that actually can create a bit of an annoying part, because then you have to switch off the hot water, open up the steam, and let as much water out. But again, that can be quite a bit of an annoying, especially if you do an event. So we always have to make sure that before we turn on the machine, steam arm and hot water must be off.